Good morning, folks. It's Monday, July something. I think it's like the 28th. Today we are gonna have a fun one. 22 M3, clean little manual trans car. Our friend Dan for exhaust. It's a pretty car. Pretty. Manual trans. Go ahead and start it, Terrence. Little sound clip of how it is stock. Not exactly what you want. You can go ahead and turn it off. And now, all of these. There's a bimodal. Comes with a controller. Should sound pretty good. See you soon. How nice these seats are. Us American guys like to fanboy over these cars too. All right, so exhaust is on. Right now, the bi-mode doors are actually being secured. These are the factory ones. We ran it through with the aftermarket harness. This is the controller. We went underneath the factory trim panel. We're going in this really deep, random ass pocket. Power supply comes up to the factory. Same on the other side. That way, we're hoping to get away from any shadow codes, any hard codes. Here's Sean. Here's Sean's car. Go ahead. It might take a second. Is there a top and a bottom? Rev it. I guess that's quieter. Okay, rev it again. Are you gonna rev it? Now rev it. Is it open? Rev it. And I'll edit out every time I said rev it. It sounds better. Let me see your key fob. IRL. This is the heaviest key fob you've ever felt. Open exhaust. Go ahead, rev it. Now rev it. Close exhaust. That's way better. All right, take a look. So we went from a dual exhaust setup that actually split over from the downpipe. Came across to this bracket, came down to a single that splits twice. Very nice kit. Sean, how much was it? 23. That's not bad. And it's light. I mean, it welds like stainless, but it weighs like titanium. Write that down, guys. It's a 2022 M3, 6-speed manual car. Everything else is stock. Sometimes all you need is exhaust. Have fun. Road test. Sean was gracious enough to let me drive. So we'll get on the highway. So much traffic. I normally come this way because there's no traffic. Maybe on the way back. Yeah, everybody's going 60. 60. So smooth though. Did it feel like this stock? Like, I mean, I guess it's just exhaust now, but yeah. I guess the best way to explain it is BMW always has like a linear feel. Like it always feels like once you get into power, it never comes back out of power. Yeah. It just stays the same, which is good, especially modern BMWs. I'll be out there, my loud ass, nitrous Camaro, getting my ass cut by one of these, especially if I get into roll racing.
Oh, I gotta believe to see it.
Yeah. Oh, it's happening. When we went to Bradenton, it's bad. There's a couple cars down there. Like my car, my advantage is the leave. Whenever I launch my car, all of my advantage is literally the first 60 feet. It's just like you watch most import cars. Well, they leave a lot better now, but it used to be that they'd spin so much off the line. They'd lose a little bit. Yeah. But now everybody's fucking leaving so well. Yeah, I think that'll do.